Hello guys, my name is Upen Pratap Bind, and before proceeding this video, please like, comments and subscribe my channel which is Bind Techno Zone. So today's concept is I just want to describe about core Java. So I'm basically in this video I'm going to talk about core Java. Just what is core Java or what is basics of Java and what is the features of Java. So these are the some things which I'm going to explain about in this video. So start with I'm opening my notepad and here. So now, so today's topic I have to what is what is Java. And so Java, as everybody know, it is a programming language and it is an object oriented programming language. So we use Java programming language to develop mobile application as well as desktop application, and we also develop a website. Lots of website we develop with the use of Java. So another basic question which interviewer basically ask, tell me about the features of Java. So features of Java, features of Java. First feature is it is a simple programming language. Everybody can write a code in Java. So because of its simplicity, it is a simple. And next is it is an object oriented programming. Object oriented programming. Third, mm, third one is it is portable. Portable. So portable means uh, we can we can write a code in Java and we can run we can run in any machine. So it is a portable. Either it is a Linux machine, Windows machine, or Mac OS. So that's why it is a portable. And next one is platform independent. This is also something like that we can it is not dependent on any platform. So platform independent means that it will run means that it will run on run on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Fifth one is multi-threaded. Multi-threaded means multiple tasks we can perform with this Java program. So next one is which is secure. As you know, every language should be secure so that no other uh, guys who are not good can basically can modify that if applications. So it is a secure. And next one is it is uh, that is robust. This is the next feature in features of Java. Other one is it, next next feature of Java is this is talking about this new feature which we basically mm, so now So this much you can learn with the if you want to more learn in of features of Java, so you can learn in the on the online also. This much features as I know, and basically I have to. I'm not going to make more on these features of Java. So next next things which I'm going to talking about how the Java Java program will run basically. So suppose you write a program, and suppose basic program. This is a class of basic program. Write a like a basic program, and you save this a file with this name. So that file is uh, saved like this basic program.java. So in your system where this program is going to be executed, it should have jdk jr jdk, which is known as java development kit. Java development kit development kit. So basically it is a kit where uh, JRE is Java Runtime Environment, and as well as JVM is there in this kit. So there is you have to install JDK for your operating system, just like if you have a Windows machine or Linux machine or Mac machine. So for everybody there is a JDK version for every operating system. So you have to install the JDK in your system. After that, in JDK there is a JRE Java Runtime Environment. Java Runtime Environment. So in this Java Runtime Environment there is some libraries, Java compiler, and Java JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So some third-party libraries also introduced in this JRE. So JVM is another thing which is inside the JRE. JVM is a Java virtual machine, virtual machine, Java virtual machine. So through these things, uh, any same any Java program will execute on your machine. And for executing any program, you have to must install JDK in your system. After that, there is a I'm going to talking about some data types which we basically used in Java. So data types used in Java. Data types used in Java. Java. So first is first data type is primitive primitive data type. Second is non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type. Primitive data type. So primitive data types are int, char, boolean, int, char, boolean, byte, short, long, double, float. So these are the primitive data types, and non-primitive data types are string, string, array, interfaces, so etc, etc. These are some non-primitive data types. So next next topic which I'm going to explain about in this video are like there is some access specifier used in Java. So access specifier are of four types. First one is public, second one is default, default, third one is private, fourth one is protected. So these are some access specifier which is basically used to get the access of classes, variables or method. We use these keyword in front of creating class, any variable, any methods, so that we can access that variable method in a class or in a package in a module. So we have to define before in creating any type of classes, method or variable. So so these are the access specifier used in Java. Next topics I'm going to cover in this video are local variable. Local. So how many types of variables? There are three types of variables. So types of variables used in Java. First one is local variable. Second one is our instance variable, and the third one is our static variable static variable static variable. So local variable are the variables which basically defines inside any method. So if we declare any type of variables inside a method, we can say that it is a local variable. Instance variable is a variable which is basically declare inside a class but outside a method. And a static variable, a variable which declared with the use of static keyword, and this variable basically created its space into the memory only once. So these are some types of variables we basically declare in the Java. So these are the some basic things which we basically study in this in this videos, and I'm basically explain some things about these topics in this video. And now I'm going to give a live example, which is I'm using IntelliJ IDEA to explain a live program by using these basic concept. So as I told, this is a public. It is a type of specifier we basically declare to create any classes which whose scope is publicly all over the applications. So its demo class scope is inside all the in the project. So class is a keyword which is basically used to declare any type of class. And public, as I told, this is a public. Access specifier static, it's a if we want to declare a static anything, then we can't we can't create any type of object of this class to run this method. We simply So that's why the main method doesn't require to doesn't require a demo class object to run this. So And there is a return type void, which it's means that you can't basically main method can't return anything, so that's why we use void return type. And this is an argument which basically passed in the main method, and this whole code should write before you have, if you want to write any java any program, you should write these lines. So after writing these lines, I am going to run a simple program where I am taking two number from the user and going to add those number and give the result as a output. So I'm I'm creating a scanner class whose work is basically takes an input from the user. So scanner is equals to new scanner, and in this scanner I have to pass a parameter system dot in. So system dot out dot println enter first number. So this tells that to the user to enter a first number, which is we will get by using this int data type num1. This is a variable name, is equals to scanner dot next int. So now I'm going to take another number from the user, enter second number, and now int, it's a data type, and num2, it's a variable name, and scanner dot next int. Next int is a predefined functions inside a scanner class to get the int type variable from the user. So now we got these two basically variables, got these two int numbers. So I'm going to int sum is equals to num1 plus num2. So if you want to display this output, you have to system.out.println, you have to call this uh, here you have to write total and call this sum variable. Now I'm going to run this program and check what is the output. So you see in below there is a code is executing. Now it's a here, it's a output enter first number. So I'm going to enter my first number 4. Now I'm going to enter 6, which will be get we will get total 10. So this is all about basics of Java. Thanks all.